지냈어요? Gets tama, di ba? Do you crochet? Nope. I can't do that, guys. Sad. Hi, John Bag. Hello. You may. Good night. 잘 자. 안녕하세요. 저는 한국어를 할 수 있어요. 오, 잘했어. Kinalimutan mo na kaming mga jumbags mo. Anong kinalimutan? Kayo yung nakalimot sa ano nyo, sa jom nyo. Wow! Joke lang, guys. Hindi ako nakakalimot. Kala nyo naman. Pag jumbagan tayo pag nakalimot. Jojombagin ko kayo pag kinalimutan nyo ako. Jojombagin nyo ako pag kinalimutan kayo. So, ibig sabihin, hindi yun mangyayari. Ingay! Joke lang yun. Joke lang yun. Alam niyo namang mga jumbags, kayo ang number 1. Mga new days, di ba? Pangalanan mo, ano pangalanan ko? Number 1, sus. Lu! Aba. Sino ba dapat? Red hair Jongman. Secret. Sino nakalimot? Wala nakalimot, guys. Hello, Karime. Hi, Juju. Sabi mo, hindi, may nag-ano kasi. May comment, nakalimot daw. Kayo na nga lang yung halos kinakausap ko lagi pag nag-live ako. Gutom ka pa rin ba? Opo, sakto lang. Hindi din kasi ako makakain eh. Hindi din kasi ako makakain. Kaya ako parang nakakaano, ang hirap kumain. Ganyan. Kaya parang pumayat ka lalo. Ewan ko. Sana. I mean, oo, kasi madami na akong kinakain these past few months. Hindi na ako nagda-diet, guys. Siguro ngayon, kasi medyo masakit ang ngipin. I started studying Korean today. Oh. So, hindi naman kailangan mag-diet na ako. Kailangan, guys. Mag-diet na ako ulit. Joke lang. Hindi nga kailangan mag-diet. Do you like speaking Korean, English, or Filipino? Of course, I like to speak Filipino. Pero I want to improve at speaking English and Korean. Hindi siya namamansin. Pinansin na kita siya eh. Paano ba yan? Mali ka. Babawi naman dun. I need more vlogs of you guys. Post more. Okay. Sorry, akin. Oo, sa'yo talaga yun. What is your favorite Filipino food? Right now, Paris. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Thanks, Kesh. When next turn yung sa NC, I'm not sure yet. Ba't ko napindot? Padala lang kita Paris, Jom. Sige, paano? Paano? Sige. Appear Paris. Di ba? Ang sarap ng Paris. How do I pronounce New Eid, right? I always say it like you read it. Huh? Always say it. Yeah, New Eid. New Eid. Nakapunta kayo sa Sokon. Ano po yun? May masarap na Paris sa QC. Saan? Yung malapot or masabaw na Paris? Gusto ko yung medyo malapot. Parang ano kasi, tawag dito, rich yung flavor. Hey Pookie, do you remember me? Nika? Not sure, but hindi ko lang alam yung ano, yung profile. Jom, kwento mo nga ano first reaction nyo. Ano yun eh? May pinagpipili, madami hindi, 3 o 4 ata pinagpipilian nun. Tapos ang papangit talaga guys. Ay joke, sorry, mali pala. Parang hindi maganda for me. Yung New Eid nga din, ano eh, umuuna hindi tapos may isa akong gusto dun sa 4 yun, pero hindi yung New Eid. Tapos yung New Eid parang New Eid. Tapos may isa pang may isang gusto pero nalimutan ko na. Tapos nung naging New Eid na, okay naman. Wala din magagawa kasi sila hindi naman kami. Diba? Acceptance na talaga dyan. Pero maganda naman yung New Eid. New Eid na. Maganda nga. Cosplay sa Aja Boys. Sino dun? Thank you, her. Concert na SPN. Opo, pumunta po kami. Day 2. Bawi siya agad eh. Sige natin yung Paris. Saan dun? Yung Barsan? Malakas ulan dyan. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Kanita ngayon medyo hindi. Alam niyo ba guys, yung kisame ko ngayon, tumutulo siya. Nakainis. Need pang sa dorm. Tapos, ang dami yung gadgets dito. Like, nakatapat talaga. So, hindi ko alam kung iiwas ko muna. Iniwas ko na, pero damn, lilipat ba ako kwarto? Kasi parang laki na ng niya. Ang laki na ng ewan? You have to explain. Yung kisame yung natulo, oo. Ay, yung tubig galing sa galing sa taas, sa ulan. Yung tubig ulan. Ayun. Kailangan kong mag-perform ka sa Germany. Okay. We're gonna go there sometimes hindi eh. Someday. Jom, how should I do my nails for my vacation? I'm going to Tunisia. like this. Just plain and clean. Hi, hello, heart. Wait. Hello, Karime. Do you want to visit Germany? Of course, guys. Hello, can you say hello to me, please? Hello, Karime. Please come to Austria. I will. We will. Hello, Maria. One bin get up right now. Parang hindi nga to one bin kasi one bin ako lang nalagay dito. Are you a K-pop idol? Nope. P-pop idol. But I dreamed of being a K-pop idol. I have come to Finland. Okay, soon, guys. We're gonna go to Finland. Your hair is pretty, especially sa last live. Ba't mo tinago? Kakaligo ko lang kasi, guys. Tapos sobrang flat niya. Tapos hindi ko pa nilalagyan ng oil, kaya nagbini na lang ako. So I'm going to audition for Hype this year. Oh, good luck. You're my bias, Jom. Thank you, Ilo. Please visit the Philippines to get. Okay. I've auditioned when I'm 16. I auditioned to YG Entertainment. Yeah, that's my first K-pop dream team. What do you call this? That's my first audition. Spaghetti K-pop. Yeah. And then next is Dream Maker. But hindi pinalad. But still, I'm here sa P-pop. And feeling ko mas bagay sa akin dito sa group ko and sa Philippines. Who's your favorite K-pop group? Right now it's Rise. OMG, can I see your shirt? Yeah. Pinadol na yata ako. Kala ko Supreme yung Dini. Ano ba siya? Supreme siya, guys. Baliktad. Bigay ito ni Mentor Bay. Have you watched Rise live? Yeah. If you become a K-pop idol, I hope to meet you. If I don't think so. I already have a group, guys. Which countries have you visited yet? I've been to Korea. Yeah, Korea only. Can you speak other languages? Yeah. I'm speaking English right now. Jom, sinisipon ka na, wag ka na mag-aircon. Hindi ako sinisipon, guys. You also speak German. 맞아요. Ay, 맞아요. Stabil. Stabil man, bruda. Ich liebe dich. Have you been to Africa? Not yet, guys. But soon, why not? Thank you, Victoria Sindo, for the heart. Kumain ka na? Yeah. Yes po. But still hungry. Kende Moteo. Hi, my name is Godina. Hello, Godina. You can speak French. Poisson. Pain au chocolat. I'm just kidding. I can't, guys. Do you have a favorite German word? Mein Bruder. An? Sorry, I can't read that German words. Mein Bruder. 맞아. Right. Eclair. Mein Bruder. What's your favorite food? My favorite food? Ramen, guys. Do you listen to German songs? I've heard some German songs. Which country do you want to travel to? Japan, guys. Japan. My dream country to go. I mean to travel, maybe. Basta Japan talaga. How does Wilson know German? Because he's from Austria. Yeah. Japan surplus. Manza. Yes. Kita na sa Japan magsapatos ka. Sige. Sapatos na ako talaga. Maganda na. Kahit wala pang visa. Basta na agad. Have you ever heard of the name Godina? Nope. Sige, book na ako in Japan. Go. Sama ako. Wala ako passport. Ayun lang. Sige, okay na yan. Gito lang ang passport. Tara na. Ako bahala. Maya reported. Ba't niyo ako ni-report? Maya. Joke lang, reposted pala. Sorry. Hey, my name is Keshika. Oh, nice name. Uy, si Aports live ulit. Uy, Aports. O nga pala, mga tao pa ko kayo, di ba? Nakasapatos na ako. Tingin nga. Patingin. Sige, paano papakita? Mag-Japan tayong lahat. Kaso through Google Maps nga lang. Sige. Elizabeth, really, I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty. What's my age? Right now I'm 20 years old. 2005. I'm gonna stun you because of you. Nice. That's the right attitude, and yeah, that's the right thing to do. Right mindset, Maja. Prinsesa, ano dapat ang itsura ng iyong corona? I feel like you're just using Google Translate to translate your what you're saying, right? Translate what you're what? Okay, right now I'm guys, my English is limited only. Nahihirapan na ako mag-English. Hindi, nag-practice ako. Yeah. Naubos din yung English ko minsan. You're very funny. I'm not doing anything. Why am I funny? Yeah, they say I'm funny, but I don't think I'm funny, guys. Even my members always say that I'm funny, but I don't know. I'm going to stand. You know, you're cool. Yeah. Right mindset. That's the point. What do you mean that's the point? Naturally funny kasi. Still not sure. Diyan paano nga yung lover boy tingin. Sana naman kayo Why do you have to mention it? Because you're Filipino. The Filipino grammar is like tuk 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 tuk. It's yeah. Lover boy talaga guys. Do you listen to Stray Kids? Yeah, of course. Bagay na bagay maging lover boy. Love ko nga kayong lahat Jom is naturally cute, diba guys? I don't think so. Tug tug tug. Rebranding, no? Oh, send to all yung love. I love you, send to all. Tug 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 sa word. Who's your Stray Kids by Sinjin and Felix and Lino. Do you love C-dramas? I have watched a C-drama before. I don't think I'm not sure if it's a C-drama, but it's Meteor Garden. Yeah, the 2018 version. I'm not sure. Ikaw unang napansin ko sa group nyo. Magaling naman kayong lahat pero ikaw napansin. Wow. So, ano sinasabi mo yan? Papansin ako. Joke lang. Thank you po. Everyone knows at least watch Meteor Garden. Yeah. But I didn't finish it. Yeah, I didn't finish it. But because it's so long, and sometimes it's just long. Do you remember my name? Katina? Of course. I can't finish that drama. Yeah, me too. It's just too long to watch. Can you collab with Stray Kids? Yeah, maybe in the future. I hope. Good night, Jom. Tulog na ako ulit. Ingat ka at maulan. Huwag ka muna matulog. Nag-uusap pa tayo. Huwag ka muna matulog. Samahan mo muna ako. Cringe. Sino ang bias mo sa F4? Si ano? Siyempre si Dao Mingsi. O pwede din si Sanchay. Ay, hindi pala siya F4. My bad. Lalayo ko ba si Jom ng F4? Sige. Sinong pwede kung magka-Filipino version tapos ako yung gaganap sa isa doon, sino ako doon? Sa tingin nyo? Could you please recommend me a song to cover? Bad Desire by Enhypen. Ikaw si Sanchay. Hindi naman bagay yun, guys. Napatawa mo ako doon, Dina. Ang galing mo doon. Coming soon, daw. Is there a comeback soon? Soon, guys. Yeah, soon. Of course. Ito na naman, tumutulo siya. Patak-patak lang. Pero may... Hello, Dylan. Magpayong ka. Sana wala kang payong sa susunod na... sa susunod na lumabas ka ng bahay tapos... umulan. Joke lang. Lagi ka magpayong. If I see you, is it okay to ask for a picture? Of course. Si Meizu, long hair, cool guy. Hindi ko na siya kilala ngayon kung sino siya. Kilala ko na lang Dao Mingsi, tsaka si Wajale. What are you looking at? I'm looking at my roof. Princess, at least answer my question, please. What's your question? Where? I can see it. Jump cover mo famous ba yan? ADP. Sige, try ko. Puro ako try, yeah. Pero ang dami kong kino-cover. Secretly. Wow. Pero hindi ko siya napopost. Ewan. Hindi ko siya natatry na i-video. Wala, for self-improvement lang, ganun. Oo. Secretly talaga. Or just I'm not in the right mood para video man. Ewan ko din. What if I explode? High Sepelicious. Princess, what the crown should look like? No, I don't know. For me? Crown for me? No. No thanks. I'm not a princess. I already told you. John, what then should I learn? Anything. Try popping. Crown for king. That's it. No. She's always saying I'm a princess, but I'm not. That's not what you said 2 days ago. Oh, did I say that I'm a princess? I've changed my mind, sorry. Di kami ng aircon mo right now, di siya madaldal. Malamig kasi, so hindi niya need lakasan yung energy niya at mag-ingay. Corona para sa mga baby boys. Sige. Baby boy ba ako? Baby boy niyo, ganun. All of the events na pinaka-film mo so far. Siguro yung pinakauna, yung sa Laguna ba yun? Yung mall show, yun talaga pinapabait ko. What is my favorite color? Black, purple, or white? Sa Baguio mo ba sinutindi? Sa sa Bulacan, sa Jose del Monte? When will there be a new sound? Soon, guys. Just please stay. Mine is black too. Twins, yeah. Ay, may SJDM ba? Taga dun ako eh. Galing naman nung perfume cover mo kaso I don't think so. Na-check mo na Express Mode by Super Junior. Hindi pa nga pala. Pero dami na nakikita ko na siya sa TikTok. Ang galing no, taga na nila, pero nagka-comeback pa sila. Kami 1 year pa, tagal mag-comeback, diba? Be my friend. Sure. Hello, Don San. Of course we will stay. Thank you. Please stay until the end. Until we're dead. I'm kidding. But are you still okay if I call you princess? I'm just kidding, Alina. You can call me anything. It's up to you. Hanggang mamatay talaga. Oo naman. Kung saan ka dun gawin. What if nasa pala ako? Joke lang. Sabi ko what if nasa impyerno ako? Pupuntahan nyo ako. Parang mali na yun. I sadly have to leave. Bye-bye, Felix. Left Ay na naman siya. Hindi guys, mabait ako. Hi Guatemala. Thank you Joyce for the cat. Sumbong ka namin kay El. Di sumbong nyo. Anong gagawin ni El? Joke na. Guys, tumutulo na naman. Inis. Yung PC ko nasa tapulong. Ay. Kahit saan basta nandun si Jom. Tama yan. Do you have a pet? I don't have. I-report mo na yan. Oo, i-report ko talaga to. Or papalit na ako ng room. So, ang hirap. Tatanggalin ko pa talaga. Palit kayo ng room ni El. Magta-tantrums na ito. Oo nga. Tantrums na talaga ako. Joke lang. Very kaya vibes tayo ngayon ah. Thank you. New vibes lang. So if I also understood it right, you don't want a crown. I'm just kidding, Alina. I'm just kidding. Cute ni Jom. Sample ng tantrums. Ayaw. You music? You music? What do you mean? Will you come to Germany? Yeah, soon guys. I finally got a boyfriend after waiting 2 years. Wow. Drop a beat, John. Sino dito na? Joke lang. Hello ulit, John. Miss you. Miss you more, Tiffany. Hi from France. Hello, Wayne. Hello, Wayne. Ihulog mo daw. What do you mean ihulog ko? I'll drop. Do you have a sibling? Oh, do you have siblings? Yes. Brother. Your life has always been so comforting since dreaming. Aww. I'm lying. You're cute. My cute. Thank you. Wait. Okay. This is so bad. 잠시만. Oops. Okay. Shoot! Babasa siya. Bawal to. Wait lang guys. Naayos ko lang yung ano. Or end ko na ba yung live? Oh no! Oh no! Our table! It's broken! Ninyo. Gagawin ko. Wait lang. Bye-bye. Bye muna. Babalik ako mamaya pag tapos na to. Pag natapos. Kailangan ko ayusin to muna. Ayun nung may mga tulo-tulo. Nakita nyo ba? Diyan makakatulog kayo. Sige, tulog na kayo. Bye-bye.